MCQs number 1. The term endonuclease refer to cutting the DNA sequence from option 1 only within polynucleotide chain, not at end. Option B, the end of chain. Option C, anywhere in the chain. Option D, exactly in the middle of a chain. The correct option is option A, only within the polynucleotide chain, not at end. MCQs number 2. The restriction endonuclease is having a defense mechanism in the bacterial system against the foreign DNA such as viruses. But how it is able to protect its own DNA? Option A is by methylation of bacterial DNA by restriction enzymes. Option B is by methylation of foreign DNA by restriction enzymes. Option C is by phosphorylation of bacterial DNA by restriction enzyme. Option D is by phosphorylation of foreign DNA by restriction enzyme. The correct option is option A, by methylation of bacterial DNA by restriction enzyme. MCQs number 3. Even after replication, how the modified DNA remains protected? Option 1, it remains protected because of conservative mode of replication. Option B, it remains protected because of semi-conservative mode of replication. Option C is the mode of replication has no role to play in protection. Option D is it is again modified after replication. The correct option is option B. It remains protected because of semi-conservative mode of replication. MCQs number 4. How many classes of restriction enzymes are there? Option A is 2, option B is 1, option 3 is 3, option 4 is D. The correct option is option C. There are 3 classes of restriction enzymes are used there. MCQs number 5. Type 2 cut the sequence in a following way. Option 1, within the recognition sequence. Option B, at 100 to 1000 nucleotide away from recognition site. Option C, at 27 to 30 nucleotide away from recognition sequence. Option D, it cuts randomly. The correct option is option 1, within the recognition sequence. MCQs number 6. After cleaving the sequence, the nature of ends created by type 2 endonucleases are. Option 1 is the end created are always single-stranded. Option B, the end created are always double-stranded. Option C, either the end are single-stranded or they are double-stranded. Option D, one end is single-stranded and one end is double-stranded. The correct option is option C, either the end are single-stranded as well as double-stranded. MCQs 7. The sequence is having 2 ends, 5 and 3. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the nature of ends? Option 1, the 5 end is having hydroxyl group. Option B, the 5 end is having phosphate group. Option C, the 3 end is having phosphate group. Option D, any group can be presented at any end. The correct option is option B, the 5 end is having phosphate group. MCQs number 8. Blunt ends created by restriction endonucleases can be joined. Is it true or false? The correct option is option A, true. MCQs 9. The recognition sequence is at times palindromic in nature. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to it? The correct option is option C. There are increased chances of annealing if the recognition sequence is palindromic in nature. MCQ number 10. Isochizomers are defined as option A, enzymes having same recognition sequence and always cutting at the same site. Option B is enzymes having same recognition sequence and always cutting at different site. Option C is enzymes having different recognition site and cutting at same site. D, enzymes having same recognition site and they may or may not cut the same site. The correct option is option D. The enzyme having same recognition site and they may or may not cut at same site. MCQs 11. The specificity of an enzyme is affected by the concentration of buffer used. This phenomena is termed as star activity, specificity elevation, concentration gradient effect, diamond activity. The correct option is option A, star activity. MCQs 12. Which of the following statement is correct regarding partial digestion? Option 1 is it is defined as the condition where all the sites in DNA sequence are not recognized. Option B is the number of fragments created by partial digestion are same as that complete digestion. Option C, it is not useful in representation of genomic library. D, exactly half of sites in DNA are recognized. The correct option is option A. It is defined as the condition where all the sites in DNA sequence are not recognized. MCQs number 13. Which of the following is correct? Nomenclature of restriction enzyme obtained from the first activity of strain R of E. coli. MCQs 1. EcoR1. B is ESCR1. C is EcoRL. D is EcoRI. Correct option is option D, EcoRI. MCQs 40. Which is DNA is preferred over restriction endonucleases in some cases? The correct option is option C. DNA is less specific as compared to restriction endonucleases. Hence, there are more chances of representation of all possible fragments. MCQs number 15. The end created by use of DNA is having unique single-stranded sequence. Option A is true, option B is false. Correct option is B. MCQs 16. Phosphatases refer to option A is the enzyme which add phosphatase group at the end of DNA molecules in the place of hydroxyl group. Option B is the enzyme which hydrolytically removed phosphate group from DNA molecules and replace them with hydroxyl group. C is the enzyme responsible for removal of phosphate group from DNA molecules and replace them with hydrogen. Option D is the enzyme responsible for replacing the hydrogen in. The correct option is option B. The enzyme which hydrolytically remove phosphate group from DNA molecules and replace them with hydroxyl group. MCQs number 17. Which is phosphatase related to ligation reaction? Phosphate group is not required for ligation reaction to take place, thus phosphate is helpful. Option B is it is helpful in cases the unwanted ligation. C, phosphatases are not related to ligation reaction. D, they act as catalyst in case of ligation reaction. The correct option is option B. It is helpful in casing the unwanted ligation. MCQs number 18. How can phosphatase activity terminate it prior to a ligation reaction? By heating, by cooling, by creating vibration, by alternatively cooling and heating. The correct option is option A, by